Hello beautiful people, welcome back. In today's video, I'm just going to be giving you a hack that can help to take care of bad breath. So if you have bad breath or you know anybody that has bad breath, there are so many home remedies, but today's remedy that I'm going to be sharing with you is basically you using cucumber. The cucumber that you ate, the cucumber that is good for weight loss, is also very good for bad breath because it contains a lot of phytochemicals that can help to ward off bad breath. Anybody that does this consistently would definitely have a very fresh breath. How do you do this? It is very simple. So I have a cucumber here, and I'm just going to cut off a slice. You just take a cucumber slice. We all like cucumber at different times, whether you're putting it in your water or something. So you can even do this at your own time, at your own leisure. Just take a cucumber slice and just prop it into your mouth like this for about 5 minutes. If you can take it for about 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. If possible, make it stick to the roof of your mouth using your tongue to push it up, and just leave it there. The phytochemicals, like I explained earlier, in the cucumber will help to ward off bad breath. So even if you don't want to eat at a particular time, most times we have like bad breath if you've not eaten for a while because of the saliva that is not being exchanged and reproduced. So you might have bad breath. So you can also do this if you're like engaged in a fast or you've not eaten your food at a particular time. Just take a cucumber slice, put it in your mouth for 2 minutes to 5 minutes, and you're done. Your breath will be fresher. You don't need to chew gum. You don't need to take minty sweets if you don't want to, and you're good to go. So this is my hack for you today. Don't forget to follow, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share to your family and friends. I'll see you in other videos. Do stay beautiful. Bye.